Hey everyone, James and Mark here with another video. Being cooped up because of COVID-19 means less trips to the gym. So we decided we're gonna be making some keto Korean recipes. So Mark is gonna be creating not one, not two, but 3 dishes.
So the first one, we are going to make egg kimbap. In Korean it's 계란 폭탄 kimbap, which literally translates to egg bomb kimbap. So there's no rice in here, it's all protein and vegetable.
Well, it looks like you got some eggs, we got spam, we got bacon, this handsome Korean actor, hi.
Hey.
No, actually this is seaweed, right? And then some veggies, that looks like spinach and carrots.
So we're gonna make a spam version and a bacon version. Sometimes it's hard to squeeze out the meat, huh?
Oh, that wasn't too bad.
Yeah.
One girthy finger. Have you ever eaten spam right out of the can? Shocking. I've never done that before. Oh, I don't like it.
What? Kimbap is in this!
So that's not gonna get cooked. That's just as
I mean,
is.
now that I know your reaction, I'll stir fry it for a little bit. You want to see the arm muscles work?
Yeah, no, they're the bat wings.
So we're gonna blanch this for a little bit. A little drizzle of sesame oil.
Better massage than I got all of 2020 from you. Mark's gonna taste test one of these.
Okay, moment of truth. Here's the spam one.
Oh, look how pretty it looks.
Mmm. Tastes like there's rice in here. And then the bacon one. Mmm. This one tastes like it's breakfast for sure. Here, try it. I didn't center the ingredients in the middle, so next time I know what to do.
Mmm.
Right?
It does taste like there's rice in it.
It tastes like kimbap, huh?
Because everything else that you have in kimbap is there.
Yeah.
Mmm.
Oh, which one do you like more?
I think I'm gonna go with the first one, even though the bacon's really good. When I eat this, I want to eat the kimbap, and the first one gave me that vibe. All right, so we're on to keto Korean recipe number 2.
I'm gonna make tonkatsu keto style. I was actually inspired by my favorite Korean celebrity, Jung-hwa. We're going to use some pork meat here. So instead of flour, we're gonna, she used psyllium husk powder. 4 grams of carb, but it also has 4 grams of fiber. So technically, this is 0 net carbs.
Oh.
For the panko breadcrumb, chicharrones.
Oh. You know what I'm thinking about? That one time I went to Panda Express and they ran out of cream cheese wontons.
Oh, hell no!
Oh, wow!
Oh my, it looks like panko breadcrumbs. Oh my gosh. Why don't you pound our meat for us?
Oh, don't tell me to pound my meat.
Pound.
I think of something else that'll get me mad. Missing trash day.
Oh, hell no!
All-time famous breadcrumb.
Oh, wow.
A lot of oil because, you know, we're technically frying this.
Where is it going? Oh no, the
a layer
psyllium.
of the psyllium husk powder, and then dip it in an egg mixture. There's the destination.
Oh, it looks nice and battered.
Does it?
Yes.
Yeah, let's cook it.
Oh.
Oh, look at the brown, huh?
All right, moment of truth.
We didn't really need to flavor or season this because the chicharrones is already flavorful.
So good.
And the husk powder has a lot of fiber, so this is good for your digestive system. On to the last and final meal.
You can't do any kind of keto Korean recipe without having at least one kind of super stew.
We're gonna be making Jjamppong, which is a Chinese-inspired spicy seafood noodle dish. James is not a big fan of these, so this is optional. Yes. So I think we only need maybe what does this look like? A half cup. Cut the core out. Amount of oil because we want to make some green onion infused oil. That's just a little bit of garlic. We just have this ginger puree paste. Brisket meat that we have. When did we be Korean barbecue? See, it doesn't matter what meat you use, but with 3 good heaping spoons or tablespoons. We'll start off with around 2 tablespoons. You want to put it on the outside of your pan, not directly into your use our bone broth, which is a lifesaver to use, but if you don't have bone broth, you can use water, that's fine, or chicken stock. 1 tablespoon of salt for now, and then you could always add more. Just add in our shrimp, then our squid that we use for another dish.
Noodles are done, so we're gonna...
Okay, the package said just to boil it for 2 minutes. Oh yeah, it tastes like jjamppong.
Wow,
Wow.
seafood that you put in here like permeated throughout the broth. It really tastes like a seafood stock almost.
Yeah. It's carb-free noodles, the miracle noodles. I don't mind it. It's like
Hey, they're better than before. Seems like a really good dish to make just with whatever you have left on hand. I really like the Tonkatsu. I kind of want you to try a version where it's like chicken fried steak and you make like a gravy with it. But if you guys enjoyed this video and want to see more content from us, hit that subscribe button, like this video, leave a comment down below for us, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye!